guys, we're back working on the van. I painted inside the doors there last night, and mixed together some transmission fluid in WD-40. Just sprayed inside all the doors there, right at the door. Now I'm cutting pieces of foam. I'm gonna insulate these doors as best I can with foam. Same as here, since last time we got a little more done inside. I'm gonna glue all this foam into the van or together just so it doesn't squeak as much hopefully. Hey guys, we got a door all insulated. We got 2 layers in there, glued them all together and stuff. I made some little spacers to hold everything nice and tight, so locks there. It should work pretty good. All the little pieces to get it in there, just to use up the scraps. Left this little slot so when this piece goes in and out of the door.
We also took the cabinet and the bed out and took the floor liner out. So we're going to get that all cleaned up in there too.
Another door here, so we got the bottom done. 2 layers again. Working pretty good.
I That should make a big difference too.
Sorry?
That should make a big difference
I think
for the heat and the sound and everything. So while he's over there working on the insulation of the doors and that, I'm over here scraping some of the rust off the floor. I think the idea is we're just gonna do a quick rough paint job with some Rust-Oleum paint. Is that the plan?
I think so. See how it goes.
Just tighten it up a little bit.
Yeah. Take all the rest out.
This wasn't really the floor wasn't really part of the initial plan, but everything else started looking so good. And underneath the mat was kind of gross. Got wet over time, so clean it up. And I mean, we want to really clean in that where we're going to be in it and sleeping in it and that. So, all right, we'll keep you posted as we make some progress here.
Insulating this door. You got 3 layers in most of it. Had to make it out of a million small pieces, but worked out good. It's all nice and tight.
Does. I'm still in here working on scraping the floor. I think I'm about the halfway point. So it's gonna look really good once it's painted. I'm definitely feeling my back's feeling it now for sure.
Making up a patch for the floor of the van. You need to make maybe 4 or 5 little ones. That's all I did for the first one. It just happened to be the size we need it.
What do you have holding it? Just an I-beam and then a piece of heavy metal?
Yeah. Pretty good. One more little one there. That's it.
And the one by the door?
Yeah, one here too where the clip goes through. There also were holes were in the floor. She looks rusty.
Yep, it's definitely a bit rusty. I think.
See over here, I had to make all this stuff. But the carpet was soaked.
Yeah, we're gonna get rid of the carpet and just put the mat and stuff down. I think these two, Rye, were like from a shelf too, weren't they? Like they didn't seem to be like rusted through.
Same with here. There was a bolt here and a bolt there.
Oh, okay.
That was a bolt.
Got all 5 of them finished up there.
Weld it down.
Pardon?
They're all welded down.
All welded down. Looks a lot better. Alright guys, I think we're going to call that a day. We got what we wanted to accomplish. We got the floor completely scraped now. Got the patches fixed up on it. So next we'll figure out what we're going to do with the floor and we'll go from there. So thanks for stopping by Maccustoms and we will catch you in the next video.